ladies and gents, welcome back to my channel. You know the deal. If you've never been here before, you actually wouldn't know the deal. Never mind. Hi, my name's Brooke. I post makeup and beauty related videos weekly. That's the same thing. I meant to say beauty and lifestyle. I'm all over the place today. I post beauty and lifestyle related videos weekly, and I would love for you to join the squad we have built here on YouTube. So if you would like, feel free to click that subscribe button down below. And also feel free to follow me on social media because I am pretty active on Instagram, and it'd be cool if we kept up with each other. Anyways, today I wanted to film another cut crease video, but I wanted to do something more on the natural side. I was feeling these kind of cooler mauve-y purplish tones and kind of like a more of a matte look. So I like to keep my intros relatively short, so if you guys want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Also, you guys, a quick reminder, we are close to 600 subs, and once we reach 750, I'm going to be doing another giveaway. So the sooner we get to 750, the sooner I can do another giveaway for you guys, and the sooner you guys will have a chance to win that giveaway. So tell your friends and your family and your loved ones and your squad about my channel. I would really appreciate that, and let's grow this little community that we have built here on YouTube. Ignore my messy hair, you guys. I'm just ignore it. So for today's video, I wanted to do a natural cut crease. I really love cut creases, and I think they complement pretty much all eye shapes. So I figured I would show you guys how to create a cut crease if you have hooded eyes, and also create a natural cut crease at that, because it can be quite easy to get carried away and do dramatic cut creases. So I just wanted to take a step back, tone it down, and do something on the natural side today. So today is a quick beat video. If you haven't seen one of my quick beat videos before, they are where I have my face and my eyebrows done, and I'm just doing like my eyes and my lips and showing you guys how I finish off the look. So if you want to see more of my quick beat videos, I will have those linked down below. There's an eyelash on the bottom of this palette. That's how you know you live with a beauty freak makeup artist. So I really want to dip into my Morphe 15N palette today. This is just such a beautiful palette. As you can see, it has a lot of warmer but also more mauve tones in here, which I love. Let's see, I already have my eyes primed. I just put concealer on my lids. I will be applying goals with my Morphe M518 brush today. And I'm just going to use this as my transition shade, so I will be putting this into my crease and slightly blending this upwards. And then I'm slightly winging this out on the very outer corner. Now I will be taking the shade Va Va Voom, and I'm going to put that a little bit tighter into my crease, and this shade will also help to add a bit of that berry pigment in there, that mauve shade, which I am just living for lately. And then I'm slightly putting this onto my outer corner as well, and then once there's little to no product on the brush, I'm kind of winging it outwards. While I'm doing this, throughout this whole process, I have my mirror a little bit down, like a little bit below my chin, and I am looking into it so that I can see all the way throughout my crease, because I find a lot of times I miss like the inner corner of my crease, or I cut my crease kind of short. So this really helps me to really go in and put these shades directly into my crease and then slightly blend them upwards. But that is one trick I have, or tip that I have for trying to do cut creases or any kind of defined crease look with hooded eyes, is make sure you're getting it where you want it. Lastly, I'm going to be dipping into the shade Scene. This will be the darkest shade. I will be applying that into my crease with my Morphe M506 brush. As you can see, this brush is nice and pointed. It has a nice dome tip. I feel like I have a lot of control with this brush, which is why I like to use it for cut creases. Another tip for doing a cut crease with hooded eyes is pointing your brush upwards and then kind of letting it blend out naturally that way. I find that it really allows me to push those products kind of up a little bit slightly above my crease, which helps create the effect of a cut crease. And just making sure that color is coming all the way from the outer corner to the inner corner. Alright, so now I'm going to go in and cut the crease. So I will be taking my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and what I'm going to do is put a dot of this a little bit above my lash line and then look up. What that will do is it will create my new crease for me. So just like this, and then I just tilt my head down, look up and you can see that is where I will cut the crease out. So now I will go in with my favorite brush to do cut creases with. This is the Morphe M224 brush. It is just the perfect dome shape to get in that crease area, and I will follow that guideline and cut this crease out. I'm going to make sure not to bring it too far onto the outer corner because I do want this to be a half cut crease. However, if you do get it too far into the outer corner, don't let that bother you because it's so easy to go back in and fix it. Alright, so now it's starting to look a little scary, but that's fine because here is where we go in and clean it up. So what I'm going to do is go back in with that scene shade and go back in with my Morphe M506 brush, and I am going to go back in that crease line and also onto that outer corner and help blend the shades together so that this cut crease looks seamless and natural and not harsh. So now I'm going to go back into that Ba Ba Boom shade and just tap this in between the concealer and the outer corner to add a bit of that mauve tone back in, but also to help the two shades blend together. So lastly, I'm going to be putting down the shade Custom on my lid. So then what I'm going to do is take that unique shade on a synthetic brush, and I will be highlighting my inner corner with that as well as my brow bone. Alright, so that is just not cutting it for me, you guys. So you already know what I'm about to do. I'm going to be going in with my Mary-Lou by theBalm, and I will be highlighting my inner corner with this. This is one of my favorite products to highlight my inner corner because it is so bright and it just looks so natural, but yet you can build it up to look dramatic. For mascara today, I will be putting on a quick coat of Bad Gal Bang by Benefit. So for lashes today, I'm going to go in with the E.L.F. Luxe Lash Kit. I will be using this Stia lipstick, and I'm not even going to try to pronounce this because I will mess it right up. I think it's Coquille? I don't know. I'm going to go over that with a bit of this lip liner in the shade Clingy, and then I'm going to blend the two together because this is more of like a berry shade, whereas this is more of like a cool tone shade. Alright, so lastly, to finish off the eyes, I will be dipping back into my Morphe 15N palette and taking that shade Va Va Voom and Scene. I'm going to mix those together and blend them out on the outer corner of my lower lash line. Alright you guys, so this completes today's makeup tutorial. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, please feel free to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment down below letting me know what you thought of this tutorial and what other videos you guys want to see me film next, because I want to film what you want to watch. Also, don't forget to follow me on social media, and if you want to join this crew we have built here on YouTube, feel free to click that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.